Hey there, folks. If you're watching this, you've probably just had a heart-dropping moment. Your Facebook account got hacked, and you can't access your email or phone number. Don't panic. I'm here to guide you through a simple recovery process that's updated for 2025. By the end of this video, you'll have your account back in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, open your web browser and head straight to the Facebook website. Look for the Forgotten Password link or go directly to the Help Center at facebook.com/hacked. This is your starting point, even without your usual recovery options. Once there, click on I think my account has been hacked and enter your username or the email, phone associated with it. If you can remember any part, great. If not, don't worry. Next, Facebook will ask for alternative verification. In 2025, they've made this easier with options like answering security questions you set up earlier or using a Trusted Contacts feature. If you had friends designated as trusted contacts, Facebook might send them a code to help you regain access. Make sure to select that option if it's available. If that doesn't work, go to the Report a Hacked Account section. You'll need to provide as much detail as possible, like your full name, any old passwords you recall, or descriptions of posts that were made without your permission. Facebook's AI-driven support in 2025 can often verify your identity through these details. Once you've submitted the report, keep an eye on your other email accounts or check back on the site regularly. Facebook usually responds within 24 to 48 hours. While you wait, take this as a lesson to enable two-factor authentication on all your accounts moving forward. It's a game changer for security. Alright, we've covered the essentials. Remember, staying calm and acting quickly is key. If you follow these steps, you'll be back to scrolling your feed in no time. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay safe online.